In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best rated products that will literally change the way you are doing things.
Hi and welcome to WP Link Fixer. This is just a quick video to show you how it works and why you should be using it on all your WordPress sites. Google recently announced they're rolling out a new update that targets link spam, specifically affiliate links, sponsored links and paid links. Google said, in our continued effort to improve the quality of the search results, we're launching a new link spam fighting change today, which we call the link spam update. This algorithm update is even more effective at identifying and nullifying link spam more broadly across multiple languages. Sites taking part in link spam will see changes in search as those links are reassessed by our algorithms. What does this mean? Quite simply, if you've got affiliate, sponsored or paid links on your site, you need to mark them appropriately using the nofollow and sponsored tags. Now have a quick think about that. How many hours or indeed days could it take you to go through all your existing content, updating all your existing links on your site? Exactly, it's a major headache. However, WP Link Fixer fixes that by dynamically adding the relevant tags to all your links in all your existing and new content automatically for you. Let me show you it in action. Okay, so here I am on one of my blogs and we're on a post that has some affiliate links on it. If I hover over this one, if you look in the bottom left hand corner, you can see that it says confirm.spinsphere.hop.clickbank.net. It's a standard ClickBank affiliate link. And if I right click on this and choose inspect, I'm in Chrome, so it actually brings up an inspection tool where I can see the code for that link. And you can see there are no rel tags for nofollow or sponsored appearing in that. So that's how it appears right now. What I'm going to do is close this down and I'm going to go across to my blog and I'm simply going to activate WP Link Fixer. Once that's activated, we'll play with the settings. It takes just a second or two to update them. Okay, so the plugin's activated and I'm going to scroll down to where I can find it in the menu where it says WP Link Fixer. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the settings in the plugin. First thing we do is tick the option to make it active. Then from the drop down list here, we choose no follow rather than follow. And then we can also add the sponsored tag as well so that we've got no follow and sponsored, and we click on update settings. And that's basically it. Now I've just gone with the external links global option. There are more options and you have a lot more control over how it works and which links get updated dynamically for you. I'll cover those all in the tutorial videos. However, we've done this, so all we're going to do is pop back to our blog. We're going to refresh this page to make sure the latest information and the plugin is actually working. And you can see it's refreshed because my ad bar at the top has come up. So all I'm going to do again is hover over this link and right click and choose inspect again. And this time it's added the tag rel nofollow and sponsored. So that is now meeting Google's spam links criteria. So we're not going to be penalized. We're not going to have a problem with Google because of our affiliate links. And it will do that to all my posts and all my affiliate links across my whole blog. It really couldn't be any easier than this. No matter how much content you have, no matter how many affiliate links, sponsored links or paid links you have, your blogs are now safe from the Google spam link update. And it took just moments to do. That's WP Link Fixer for you. The power of the plugin to fix all your links on all your sites in moments. Install WP Link Fixer today and keep your sites safe from the latest Google update.
Thanks for watching. Click the link below for more info.